There is a place where the wilderness is still untamed, and outside its towns and cities, man lives in harmony with the land. Lush fields and prairies spread like an intricate patchwork around towering mountain ranges, and every year the seasons paint them in 1,000 different colours. Romania, a place where modernity and heritage coexist unlike anywhere else in the world. Here you will find ancient techniques and practices that have been faithfully nurtured, and today help give this region its unique identity. Thanks to the preservation of traditional farming, much of our food is still organic. Hedgerows are still teeming with life, and the pastures are a sea of wildflowers each spring. Driving through this bucolic landscape with its golden haystacks and medieval villages, it's easy to believe that you've stepped back in time. Here also, stunning new eco-lodges, converted guest houses and boutique wine hotels are springing up to provide a wealth of ways to enjoy the Romanian countryside. The forests and mountains that border this rural Arcadia afford visitors a chance to experience a wilderness unlike any other. Walk amongst ancient trees where beams of light pierce an endless canopy of leaves, creating a constantly shifting collage of light and shade, revealing glimpses of a secret world, home to wolves, bears and the ghost-like lynx. You can follow one of many trails up into the towering peaks of the Carpathians, or stroll through villages that have barely changed in 1,000 years. Romania, experience a land where nature still holds sway.